In this video, I will explain the rest of the legal pathways to Malta step by step, directly from the Maltese government sources. Ademola Michael Williams is my name for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant, legally registered in Sweden. I'm not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now, let's dive into it. Pathway 3. Specialist Employee Initiative. Now, some people are skilled, but they may not qualify for the high salary requirements of the Key Employee Initiative. That's where the Specialist Employee Initiative comes in. This pathway is designed for workers with technical skills, industry experience, specialized knowledge. Now, how does it work? Step 1. You receive a job offer in a specialized role. Step 2. You provide evidence of qualifications or several years of experience in your field. Step 3. Malta evaluates whether your skills are genuinely specialized. This route is commonly used in hospitality management, technical support, business services, gaming operations, skilled operational roles. And just like other pathways, everything must be genuine and verifiable. Pathway 4. European Union Blue Card. Now, let's talk about one of Europe's most prestigious legal migration systems, the European Union Blue Card. Yes, Malta participates in it. And this pathway is specifically for highly qualified professionals. Now, here's the difference between the Blue Card and a normal work permit. The Blue Card is designed for university-educated professionals, high-income skilled workers, advanced professional careers. Now let's explain the process. Step 1. You receive a high-skilled job offer in Malta. Step 2. Your salary must meet the required threshold. Step 3. You usually need higher education, qualifications or equivalent professional experience. Step 4. Authorities assess qualifications, employment contract, salary level, profession. Now, why do people want the European Union Blue Card? Because it may provide stronger long-term European Union mobility opportunities, easier movement within parts of Europe later, professional advantages for highly skilled migrants. But important, this pathway is not for low-skilled work. This is Europe's high-skilled migration category. Pathway 5. Business/self-employment. Now, what if you don't want to work for an employer? Malta also has legal pathways through entrepreneurship, self-employment, company formation, investment activity. But let me explain something important. This is not, I opened a fake online company. Malta checks whether the business is real, has economic value, can financially sustain itself, follows Maltese law. Now, typically, you may need business plans, financial proof, operational details, company registration, evidence of activity. This route is mainly for entrepreneurs, investors, consultants, founders, international business owners. Biggest mistakes. Now, let me save people years of immigration problems. Biggest mistake, number 1, fake agents. If someone guarantees Malta permits, that's a huge red flag. Biggest mistake. Number 2, fake documents. Malta verifies employers, qualifications, identities, immigration records. Biggest mistake. Number 3, illegal work on tourist status. That can affect future visas and permits. And another important thing, there is no magical shortcut. Legal migration is based on genuine work, real qualifications, legal residence authorization. So yes, Malta can absolutely be a real legal pathway into Europe for non-European Union citizens. But successful migrants are usually the people who understand the process, follow legal systems, use official government information, avoid shortcuts. Save this video, share it with someone serious about moving legally, and follow for more real immigration breakdowns using official government sources only. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.